Everyone wants to become rich, but making money is so damn hard. Or should I say, it was.
It's still hard.
What's that impossible? How's that even possible?
Okay, stop. I'm not the one saying this. These YouTubers are. Because to make people like us the next billionaire, here comes the ChatGPT.
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 They say we can even make $2,500 in just 2 hours? That's my rent for the next 12 months. But can this method help you earn some real money? Or it's just a new internet trend? Guess there's only one way of finding out. What, you really think I'm gonna waste my precious time testing all these kind of theories? I've got a lot to do. I'm not gonna use ChatGPT to earn. So in this video, I'll use ChatGPT to earn money and make a living out of it. And to test out this theory, I'll start by learning about the method first. There are a ton of options out here. I can do copywriting where I'll tell ChatGPT to write me ad copies, blog posts, and contents for websites. Or I can use it to make online courses. And we can even use it to trade stocks. Well, that's a good thing because now we have someone to blame for the stock market crash. But I'll go for the cheapest and most trusted one, YouTube. There's a thing called YouTube automation, which is trending like fuck right now. Here I'll tell ChatGPT to make videos for me and upload them on my YouTube channel. And then my job would be the most important one, to collect the money. I will go for the shorts rather than the long form content because shorts have kind of a virality factor and they are also easier to make. And I will upload 2 shorts per day for the next 5 days. And the results after these 5 days would confirm if I could pay my next month's rent or I'll be thrown out of my studio. But before making the first video, let's make a channel first. So a new YouTube channel requires only one thing, and that's the niche of the channel. And also name and logo, description and channel banner. So we have a lot to do. Why don't we ask our friend ChatGPT? I'll go for the true crime and mystery niche. It would be easier to work in this niche because it doesn't require original ideas. And I've seen many channels out there which just talk about cases and mysteries happened in the past. Crime Chronicles. This sounds good. And then I asked ChatGPT to write me a description, and I also asked it to give me a tagline. Crime Chronicles. Unraveling the darkest mysteries of crime. This sounds good. Next, I made a logo and a channel banner using Canva, and here's the final branded channel, all using ChatGPT. And now's the time to make some videos. I will follow the exact tutorials from these YouTube videos. And here we have the main elements of a video. The first one, the video idea. Let's make a video on this one. The idea is done. Now's the time for the script. Scripting didn't take longer than 30 seconds, but I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write this again, but in a mysterious tone. And voiceover would also be done by the AI, and I'll use this website Veed for that.
In the 1980s, a killer known as the Night Stalker.
Yeah, I like this one. Let's go for it. And then to put all these things together, editing. Yes, you guessed it right. It would be also done by me, because I'm still smarter than AI. And for the visuals, I'll use the stock footage and some cool AI generated images related to the case. And I'll use Midjourney AI for this. So after all this work, here's the first video.
In the 1980s, a killer known as the Night Stalker terrorized California. Richard Ramirez, the man behind the murders and assaults, struck fear into the hearts of many. His attacks were random and brutal, leaving the public in a
This came out pretty good, so let's post this on the channel. And after I clicked upload, something unbelievable happened. Yes guys, the trick works. They were right, the trick really works. No, I'm just kidding. It didn't happen. I have to post 9 more videos. So let's do it. I uploaded 2 videos yesterday and they got around 1,000 views. It's pretty good considering it's a brand new channel. And then I uploaded 2 more shorts on day 3. So it's day 4 now and I faced the first problem. Everything is done by the AI, but still it takes time to make these videos. AI art is very slow to make, and in the processing time of one single image, I can easily download 10 images from the internet. And one single video easily takes 30 minutes of time. So this side hustle turned out very boring and exhausting. I think the problem is that you don't have much control over what's going on. It would be very hard to continue this thing for a longer time. At least for me. So you should always choose a side hustle that you're truly passionate about and you enjoy working on it. The main difference between a project made by the AI versus a project made by you is that the AI project will lack human touch. And that's why the AI project looks kinda computerized. But that will get better with time. So I'll just keep uploading and see what happens at the end. And on day 5, I asked ChatGPT something weird. I asked it if he likes humans or not.
What about this adorable guy? Hello, Switch.
Oh, no, Dad, don't press that.
Oh, he's just going for a
What
little
would
walk.
you do that for? The master switch!
The what? No, no, no!
Oh, my God.
It's happening! They're rising up!
Now it's been 3 days since I uploaded my last video, and remember I told you about how I wanted to make a living out of it so that I could pay off my rent? But how are we going to achieve that goal? Let me explain that. So according to the new monetization policy, my shorts will need 10 million views in 90 days, which means 111k views per day. And as I have uploaded 2 shorts per day, I'll need on average 55,000 views on each short. And then my channel has the potential to get monetized. So did my videos got 55,000 views? No, they got 5,000 views. Oh, each one. That's still pretty good. You should continue with this thing. No, all of them combined, and 14 subscribers too. But wait, before you click off this video and jump on to the next one, a clickbait how you can earn $10,000 per hour just by sleeping, let me tell you what really happened here. So the first problem is with the ideas. They are boring and outdated. And the second problem is with the results of ChatGPT. They are very repetitive. I'll leave the link to this channel and you'll notice that all videos are kind of similar. And they are also very complicated. And people don't like complicated things. They like things that they can understand easily. But you may say there's an easy fix to this problem. Why don't we ask ChatGPT to simplify the script? Then the video becomes too generic. You see the problem here. And for those of you who write down in the comments, you could have just easily blown up your channel by just making more videos or tweaking the scripts a little bit. Before typing, please consider you would have to spend more time on that thing. Let's say instead of 2 videos, we post 10 videos per day. Then there's a pretty good chance we could reach our goal. But there's no point in doing that because it would become a day job instead of a side hustle. A better side hustle is the one that gives you more results in less time. And I would have continued this thing for a longer time if all my videos combined had even got 50,000 views. But 5,000 views for 10 videos, that's pretty low. And it didn't happen just with me. Jensen Tung also tried to grow a YouTube channel using the AI. He used the facts niche and his shorts got a total of 100k views in 30 days. It may seem like a lot, but it's not because it's short form content. But don't lose all of your hopes. Making money is not that hard. I've been through that phase. Watching these tutorials, getting my dopamine spiked up, feeling motivated, and then doing nothing and watching the next one. And when I got out of that cycle, I could make some real money. And most importantly, I'm enjoying what I'm doing right now. Money then doesn't remain the important part of the equation. So the best thing you could do is learn a skill for free here on YouTube and then leverage that skill for money. And that would be the best side hustle, the best business you can do. And don't think of making money without doing the work when you're just starting out. So what about earning passively then? I totally agree with you. When your side hustle becomes a real business, then you can hire employees and then money will flow in passively. No, I'm in no way against ChatGPT. It's a really great tool that can assist you very well. If you are creative, then you can use it to brainstorm ideas. If you are a business owner, you can use it to write great content for your business. The possibilities are endless, and with GPT-4, it just gets better. But you cannot be totally dependent on it to do all of your work. See, this video, it's also about a side hustle with the help of ChatGPT. And it's not clickbait. There's some real potential in the model explained in this video. You'll have to choose to watch the good stuff on YouTube, just like the one you're currently watching. And don't worry about the rent thing. It wasn't true. What, you really thought I couldn't pay off my rent? Come on. It feels really great to be part of this new tech era. AI is being used in every field right now, be it video editing, graphic designing, website designing, photo editing, content creation, and even generating pickup lines to impress girls. So keep in mind, just sitting on the couch, Netflix and binging and letting AI do all the work will not make you rich, at least for now. I will have to run, but you don't, so please watch this video.